What if I told you we have reached the era where you don't have to spend a lot of cash just to get a flagship device with flagship specs? What if such a device really existed? This is the Xiaomi Pocophone F1. Let's start with the build quality. While most people criticize the Pocophone build quality for being cheap, in my opinion it doesn't feel that way. Yeah, sure, it's made of plastic, but the feel in the hand is a completely solid feel. You get a very decent 1080p IPS screen that holds up well even against those in the same bracket. With this massive 4000 mAh battery life is stellar. With that being said, this device carries the same internals as a Note 9. Snapdragon 845 processor with 6 gigs of RAM. This unit has 64 gigs of internal storage. There's also a 128 gig storage option as well. You also get USB Type-C, Quick Charge 3.0, and yes, the headphone jack is still present. There's also liquid cooling technology inside for better heat management when playing high intensive games or tasks that require more power. It also supports dual SIMs and memory card as well. Let's talk about the dual cameras. 12 megapixel main shooter with a 5 megapixel secondary shooter, which is primarily used for portrait shots. Seeing that this is what we will call a cheap smartphone, you'll expect the quality to be somewhat crappy, right? It's not pixel or note quality, but it gets the job done. And considering its price range, this device has AI tech built in to the camera that's used to additionally enhance images on the go. Video recording is good as well. Now, this device was first intended for the Indian market. While it's unlocked to go out of the box, there are some features that were left out. This phone doesn't support Band 2. So for example, in Trinidad where I live here, yes, we can still get data services via H+, but we won't get LTE, and LTE with our providers here usually works on Band 2, which the Pocophone again doesn't have. There's no NFC, there's no wireless charging, there's no water or dust resistance ratings. With that being said, let's take a look at what we have going for us here. A very good build quality, a very good display, the latest processor, huge battery with stellar battery life, a good camera both front and back, stereo speakers, a very smooth, fast software experience coupled with a crazy, fast fingerprint scanner and also face unlock. If the small list of not-haves are not major deal breakers, then getting this device is a definite go, hands down. Even if ordering from Amazon from other countries, it may cost just about 350 US to 400 US. It's still worth the price. I think we have a new flagship killer in our midst, guys. What do you think?